Video capture can be an effective way to track the motion of objects. There are a number of technical details associated with video data collection that need to be addressed in order to get data that can be used in model testing. First, we describe the setup of the video camera. The camera needs to have a known frame rate, 60 frames per second in this case. The motion of our test object should be in a plane. That makes it straightforward to track the motion. The camera should be set up perpendicular to the plane of motion and as far away as possible. We use a telephoto lens to zoom in on the area where the motion will take place. This reduces distortions inherent in every lens. We set the camera on manual focus and set the focus in the plane of motion. The camera should be set with a fast shutter. That will reduce the motion blur that happens when objects are moving when the shutter is open. Because we are using a fast shutter, we need sufficient light to illuminate the object. This is fairly easy outside, but if we're working inside, we will add extra lights. We want a constant colored background that is a contrast color to our object. That will make it easy to identify the object and to use automatic particle tracking software. We need a high contrast scale in the frame that will help us convert from pixels to real length units. We use a meter stick that has black tape marked every 10 centimeters. This scale should be in the same plane as the motion of our objects. Finally, if we are looking at motion that occurs because of the gravitational force, we need to identify the vertical direction. We use a plumb line with a high contrast string. The plumb hangs freely, is not moving, and is in the same plane as the motion of our object.